Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, depending on where you are watching me from. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please, I want to be showing you how to withdraw directly from Worldotc and how fast it is. I introduced the platform long time ago, about 3 weeks or 1 month ago, and the platform is still working right now. So I will be doing practical right now on how to withdraw, and also I will be showing you proof of withdrawal on my Trust Wallet account. And if you really want to join this particular platform, I'll be leaving link on the description for you to join. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So you can do your own research before joining this platform with the link on the description. Thank you very much. So as you can see right now, the money I'm having right here on my Trust Wallet account is 548.24 dollars. Then I will go directly to my Worldotc app and show you how fast and easy it is. So let's go to the platform right now. So this is the platform. Right now, as you can see, I want to withdraw because most of my fund is in the trading department. I've traded some. So this one now is just the one that I left so that I will use it to do the withdrawal review so that everybody will see. So I've traded with other assets. So what you have to do now, I'll set my withdrawal address and the rest of them. Then what I have to do now is to click on this withdraw. Once I click on the withdraw, it will bring out this page. Then I have to enter the amount that I want to withdraw right here. After entering it, I have to enter my Google authentication code or password. I've done Google authentication. If I haven't done it, I would have used password, but I've done my Google authentication. So let's go. And you can withdraw as many as you can in a day. No withdrawal limit. Once it is up to $5, you can withdraw as many times as you can a day. There is no limit. You can withdraw 30 times a day, 40 times a day, unlimited. So what I have to do now is to type on 14.42. I want to withdraw everything right here. So once I've entered it, I have to click on, and I have to, for instance, now let's go back to my Trust Wallet so that you see how much I'm having there. All right. I'm having 548 right here. I'm having 548. Okay. So let me go back to, so what I have to do now is to go to my Google Authenticator, which is my password. Then I will copy, I've copied my authenticator, then I have to paste it here and click on submit. The withdrawal is successful. Then let's go back to the Trust Wallet account so that you see how fast it is. What I'm having here is 548. Then if I refresh it right now, you will see that the fund will be added. Sometimes I don't even have to refresh it, it will come. So then I'm having 548 here and 539 here. So once I refresh, as you can see, it has added already, just like magic, from 548 to 562. So that is how it works. The platform is very fast and everything is working normal as for now. So if you have the faith to join, you can use the link on the description to join and start making money now that the offer still lasts. I'm not your financial advisor. This video is not for financial advice. So thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. Remain blessed and God bless you. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.